Hi, I'm Lisa Facera.
And I'm Joe Facera.
We own West Coast Shutters.
Today we're going to show you how to take down a sliding panel. The first thing we're going to do is mark the panels. You got a front panel, next panel, next panel. If you don't mark them, the panels are set up that the number one panel is lined up with a wall. And as you get down through, the last panel is lined up with a wall. They need to go back to the way you took them down so everything's lined up so you don't have to reline them again. So now that the panels are marked, we're going to show you just a quick handheld on what the roller looks like with its catch. That's the roller. Try to take it apart if you can. Sharet's doing everything. He runs the whole shop for me. And then it will come out. And that's what's the hard part, is to get that little catch opened up so you can take the roller out. So when he starts, he's going to go up the ladder and he's going to take the valance down. The valance has to go down because you can't see the catch of the roller. So for filming purposes, we got it Velcroed in there. Normally you go up with a big putty knife and take the tape loose. So now that that's loose, you can take it apart. Move your panels over, at least two of them. And now he's going to start one. If you need to raise them, you've roughly got 3/8 of an inch to bring them up and down a little bit if you have to do that. That back, it's the same way. Now we're going to show you how to put it back. So it'll get locked in. Then we're going to roll it down to him so he's working on it. Lift up again. And as you can see, when you get done, this panel was made for here.
So this is a 12-foot slider with 4 36s. So it's made with 4 tracks, so you can continue and slide each panel behind the other one so that you have 9 foot of space if you want to look out or move furniture in or out. So you have the back, the middle, and the front. And then when you bring them out, then you can open them up and put them back in position. And with our shutters, we have the hidden control rod, so you don't see the stick in the middle. And you can see how we've split, so you can have the top open, bottom closed, so you can have a little privacy if you want. And then when you open them all up, you still have a really nice view from top to bottom.